Hello everyone. Today we're going to introduce the major festivals 节日 celebrated in China. This includes traditional Chinese festivals as well as popular international or Western holidays. First up is New Year's Day, 元旦, on January 1st, 1月1日. Right after, we have the most important traditional festival in China, the Spring Festival, 春节, also known as Chinese New Year. The first day of the Chinese lunar calendar is not fixed on the Gregorian calendar. It usually falls sometime between late January and mid-February. The night before the Spring Festival is called 除夕, a crucial time for family reunion. Families gather to enjoy a lavish reunion dinner. It's also traditional to set off firecrackers and fireworks to celebrate. On the first day of the new year, people visit each other to exchange New Year's greetings, and the kids get red envelopes with lucky money from the elders. The festive atmosphere of the Spring Festival actually lasts for about 15 days. The celebrations conclude with the Lantern Festival on the 15th day of the first lunar month, which is also the first full moon night of the year. On this evening, people eat 元宵, sweet glutinous rice balls named after the festival itself, which symbolize family reunion and completeness, and people go out to admire decorative lanterns. Following that, on February 14th, 2月14日, is Valentine's Day, 情人节. March 8th, 3月8日, is International Women's Day, 妇女节. Sometimes you might hear a more flattering name, 女神节, which means Goddess Day. Next among the traditional Chinese festivals is 清明节, also known as the Tomb Sweeping Day. Interestingly, this date isn't determined by the lunar calendar, but by the solar position in the tropical year. So it falls around the same time in the Gregorian calendar each year, usually between April 4th and 6th. It is a time both for honoring ancestors by cleaning their tombs and for enjoying the spring scenery by going for outings in the countryside. The next holiday is Easter, 复活节, typically in March or April. As an important Western festival, it certainly has its presence in China, though personally, I feel the festive atmosphere for Easter isn't as strong as for some other holidays here. May 1st, 5月1日, is Labor Day, 劳动节. This holiday is a short break in the first half of the year. Many people take the opportunity to travel or relax. The second Sunday of May is Mother's Day, 母亲节. The fifth day of the fifth month in the Chinese lunar calendar is 端午节, also known as the Dragon Boat Festival. During this festival, people eat 粽子, sticky rice dumplings wrapped in bamboo leaves, and hold dragon boat races. These customs are often linked to commemorating the patriotic poet Qu Yuan, who lived around 2,300 years ago. The story goes that he drowned himself in a river in protest against his kingdom's corruption. Grieving villagers rushed to the river on boats and threw rice dumplings into the water to feed the fish, hoping to prevent them from eating his body. June 1st, 6月1日, is International Children's Day, 儿童节. The third Sunday of June is Father's Day, 父亲节. The seventh day of the seventh lunar month is 七夕节, often considered the Chinese Valentine's Day. While there are various origins associated with this festival, the most popular legend celebrates the story of two star-crossed lovers, the cowherd, 牛郎, and the weaver girl, 织女. It is said that on this night, magpies form a bridge across the Milky Way so they can reunite for one night. The 15th day of the 8th lunar month is the Mid-Autumn Festival, 中秋节, when the moon is at its fullest and brightest for the year. Families gather to admire the moon and eat moon cakes, 月饼, symbolizing family reunion. It's safe to say this is the second most important traditional festival in China after the Spring Festival. On October 1st, 1949, 1949年10月1日, the People's Republic of China was founded. Consequently, October 1st was designated as National Day, 国庆节. It is also a week-long holiday in the second half of the year. November 1st, 11月1日, is All Saints' Day, 万圣节. Of course, the festive atmosphere begins on the eve, Halloween night. Its celebrations, like costume parties, have become quite popular among young people in China. Finally, we have the most important festival in the West, Christmas, 圣诞节, on December 25th, 12月25日, along with its celebrations on Christmas Eve. In China, you can also find a fairly strong holiday atmosphere with decorations and commercial promotions. So that's my personal summary of the major festivals in China. Thanks for watching.